Alrighty, right. I'm pretty excited to show you the Wangr CLI Terminal Agent. And well, Ilya and I have been working on this for a few days now. Interesting how quickly you can build something like this these days. And it's still a work in progress, but it's for you. Mostly our early users, you've gotten the code, you can use all of the agents and you will be able to, if you know Cloud Code, this will basically, in some ways, be an agent that can help you create scripts for Hyperliquid, for Polymarket, market research reports, and everything directly in the terminal, create files and read files um, on your own laptop, which you can script yourself. We gave it editing tools. It's open source. It's available through PyPy, so you can pretty much just do pip install Wanger and it will install. And right now, it's simply a very convenient and very fast way to get an overview of the market. You can go through the whales, you can check the wallets of interest. Of course, you can sort it and you can filter it if you have a key. I think it's very good to quickly spot some arbitrage opportunities. As you can see, it actually moves very fast. We can check by the funding rate. We can check DEX arbitrage, spot arbitrage. We will have the poly market and Kalshi markets here too. You can check the whale performances on poly market. Um, pull up any of the whales, their previous and past positions. As you can see over here, you can check any other whale that you want to. You can, of course, sort them by their portfolio value or by their P&L, which is the default, and find some insiders or other whales on Polymarket. Of course, we will add Kalshi and maybe opinion trade there later if they will give us the API key finally, and check liquidations, of course. Then in the end here, you can actually ask the agent, just like you can do on the web. It has the same type of tools. It has access to Binance, all of the Wanger APIs, um, Etherscan, pretty much everything else we were adding into it. And it can write a report. So for example, I can ask it, um, how are whales doing today? Anything noteworthy? Cannot type today. Anything noteworthy in the markets? I'm just making this up as I go. If you've watched some of my videos, you've probably seen that I freestyle this. And this will make a request. The agent in the background is actually checking the markets, checking the whales, looking through the data, organizing it for you. And then it will come up with a response, basically the data right now. And you can ask it anything specifically. Are there any whales that are really close to getting liquidated? And it will go sift through it. You can do this. This is mostly for just being interesting. In the backend, we have ChatGPT doing its work together with our servers. And yeah, so we have multiple large whales that are inside the 2% of the liquidation prices, which you can see, of course, on our web interface. This is just one thing that is making it more convenient to extract data, because then after that information has come out, can you put them in a CSV file, liquidations.csv, and write a summary to summary.md. The MD is a markdown file, which is just the basic formatting for you to know what it is, in case you don't. And the CSV file is just a comma delimited file that you can import into Excel or Google Sheets, for example. And the agent can now actually just create this file on your laptop, Similar, if you use Cloud Code, if there was a file existing, you can edit it, and if not, you can just ask it to create it, apply these changes, yes or no. Of course, in Cloud Code or Codex or other terminal agent, you don't actually have to approve changes. If you want, you can make a setting to just let it auto edit. I personally always close this off, and here we've made it the default. If your feedback is that you would rather go YOLO, then let us know, and we will actually enable that you can just let it edit and go wild. Um, the reason why I do not want, not because of these type of files, but in case you want to, we will have scripts. Please make an auto trading.py script that follows the whales on Wangr. And you can really create this. We will have templates for the different type of exchanges. They do not exist right now. I anticipate that we'll have it within the next few weeks. And for Polymarket as well as for Kalshi, so you can integrate your own API keys together with the Wenger APIs. And we have a backend server that is already ready that can help you follow these trades by logic. And then I think you should really, at least in some way, always approve the changes, make sure that what it's writing is correct. In the end, this is a large language model. It makes mistakes, I would say, in some ways more than humans and in some ways less. But the mistakes that it makes that are maybe more than humans are logically, and that is a very big error. So we will try to mitigate this by making sure that it has templates so it can work with some functions that we have already. And in the course, I will try to explain how these work. Until then, I think you will really benefit by just playing around. I think it's very cool. I am very happy with how this turned out. Ilya did a really big load of work. I tried to stylize it a little bit together with him afterwards, and it will come. It will become better and bigger, and I think we will have some really cool insights out of here and usages. This will also come with an MCP server, so you can actually integrate it with your Claude or with your ChatGPT or any type of different model that you use. All right, this is it from me. Let me know how you like it. Pip install Wanger.